Sampratishta, every line, stroke, and shade tells a story. A place where creativity is nurtured and talent finds its direction. But don't just take our word for it, hear it from those who've lived the journey.
What motivated you to pursue our diploma in fine arts?
I've always painted. Then I was always curious about what actual professional finance students learn in their bachelor. Because I don't have a degree in finance, I was always curious about the basics and all. So I that's for a course which is taught by professionals and basically that then learn something professional.
So, which aspect of the course did you find more valuable?
Anup's sketching course, which was basically from lines to basic lines, which was very important. And I was drawing all my life, but I didn't know how important the basics are. Earlier, after the course, especially if it used to take me maybe 10 to 15 minutes to sketch something, after the course, it was much quicker with less lines and less mess and using erasers and all. That was a big change and that was a big learning. So definitely Anup's sketching class really helped me draw better.
So, did you face any challenges during the course and how did you overcome it?
Yes, all of us were quite bad at sketching because we were using erasers, rubbing it, correcting the lines, using multiple lines to make the same, sketch. And that felt like our learning curve was really steep. So what sir did was, I think he introduced for us a 60-day challenge where he wanted us to pick any subject and then sketch multiple sketches, like 10, 15 sketches, as many sketches as possible of the same subject. That was not part of the course, but we thought that will help us. And then that really did. Because all of us were, it was like a 30-second challenge where you make quick sketches and that really helped us improve our sketching.
So, how would you describe the faculty's approach to the teachings?
I think the fact that they are not taken to a particular way of teaching, they observe the students and then what works for me may not work for somebody else. So sir was able to understand what I needed. I didn't join for a custom tailored class as such, but then I wasn't expecting this level of dedication from Anup sir for that. Honestly. So he was able to help me improve and it worked differently for different people. We would spend time with other students also because they join for different purposes. A lot of people join art for different purposes and he was able to, I think, help a lot of students from our class. He definitely would help me.
Would you recommend this course to others who are interested in fine arts or anything as a hobby?
100%. Because the learning basics is very important. Yes, of course, there are a lot of YouTube channels and online materials available. But then I was also looking at all those things, but it never registered as such. But when sir has this way of approaching and making things easy for people to understand, that really helped. And Kavita's painting class was a lot of fun. Yeah, a lot of fun. So both helped. I had a lot of fun here. It was the best few months that I spent in my life.
Samprat is the School of Fine Arts. Inspire an artist in you.